Hello, in this video we consider the question number 3 of paper 2 Analysis and Approaches, November 2025 paper. Since it is calculator based, this question focused on the calculator approach. So if you are ready, let's go. Given that data collected on two variables x and y from 8 members of a population, the data is shown in the table below. Find mean x. So since we have calculator, we can straightforward type all these data inside the list 1, for example, in calculator of TI, TI Inspire, Casio, HP, and so on. Doesn't matter, yeah? But you know how to find the mean x. So you can quickly find the value of x bar. So using your calculator, we will obtain the value of 6.45. Okay. Now, the next question: the regression line of y on x for this data is this one. Find mean value of y. Mean value of y. Okay. Since the regression line is given, now we can use the point of x bar and plug this value here instead of x, right? Let's do that. So x bar, y bar is equal to this much and plus 2.1625 multiplied by 6.45. So the answer is 13.962, or it is 14.02, 3 significant figures. Okay, this is another 2 marks. And now B2, find the value of P. Okay, since we know the mean now, we can use the formula of mean to find the value of P. So we can add up all together, all these values together. 11.8 plus 9.7 plus 6.1 plus 4.1 plus P plus 23.3 plus 13.7 plus 24.5. Yeah, probably you will know the way how it could be completed faster, because it's not the fastest way I'm showing, right? So it is equal to 14. Okay, now you have to solve this equation in terms of P. Okay, so final we'll get B2. Yeah, let me continue here. Final we'll get P plus 93.2 equals to 111.7. Then P is equal to 18.5. That's how we have obtained another 4 marks for part B. Okay, now let's part C consider. Hence, find the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. So now you can simply type these values in list 1 and list 2 of your calculator. Yeah. So now P is given. So now P is number. So you will use, instead of P, you will use 18.5 here. Okay. And now you have list 1, list 2. You will press the buttons, find the lin rec of 2 variable statistics, and obtain the value of correlation coefficient. Using your calculator, you will obtain the value of 0.9539 or 0.954 3 significant figures. This is your final mark to obtain. Hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe, react to this video, and I will happy to make next videos for you. Goodbye.